What you will need besides the chicken, of course, is cheese. And I like to mix two different kinds of cheeses, mozzarella and smoked cheese. The smokiness gives this nice flavor to it. 1 tablespoon of mayo, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of flour, salt and pepper. And if you can find kebab seasoning or a gyro seasoning, and this is something that any European or international store will have, onion, garlic, and either you can use zucchini, shredded zucchini with diced bell pepper, or if you prefer mushrooms instead, you can put mushrooms in. So this is a choice, and if you would like to make it again, you can rotate between those two things and you will have either mushroomy taste or just a vegetable like zucchini and bell pepper. And that's it. Doesn't it look pretty? Chicken cutlets with roasted potatoes and carrots and a salad. You don't have to go to a restaurant. You can enjoy a great, tasty, beautiful dinner at home. I have some onions and mushrooms. Mushroom is the choice for today. And if you choose bell pepper, roast it, diced on a pan, because it will give you more flavor before you put it and mix it all together with the chicken. Actually, those mushrooms are not my idea. It's my husband who doesn't like zucchini. And ever since COVID, his taste buds are not the same. Very, very picky. And I'm just wondering if that's his excuse. So I cook the food that he likes best. Now I'm wondering. As you can see, my chicken is cut up into small pieces, almost as shredded. And I have put the kebab seasoning, either kebab or the gyro seasoning. And if you cannot find it, it's okay. Salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, use different seasoning that you like and it will come out fine. If you have smoked cheese, that will give that extra flavor. Your garlic, your cheese, your either mushrooms or bell pepper will give you flavor. If you don't have that seasoning, use different seasoning. It will still come out tasty. And I decided to shred some zucchini, even though my husband doesn't like it, but it's not that much. And I just realized that usually I do this, shred vegetables for my children because they don't want to eat any when I cook soups for them. And now I'm doing it for my husband. How fun is that? My chicken, spices, mozzarella, eggs, and now that smoky cheese coming in. And one more thing I want to mention, if you use zucchini, squeeze out the juices first before you put it in here. Because zucchini has lots of juice and the texture won't be that great if you don't squeeze it out. The flour, salt and pepper. If you like it more spicy, put some cayenne pepper with it. And 1 tablespoon of mayo. My husband's favorite mayonnaise. Just mix it all up and form those round shapes for cutlets for frying. If you have fresh herbs, go ahead and put it in. Fresh herbs give you this beautiful aroma and bring the freshness in any meal. And here are my mushrooms with onions, and I wanted to wait a little bit until those cool down. I have my pan ready, and I don't want it very high heat as cheese will just burn for you. Just medium. Medium is enough. You have bubbles coming out there, it means your pan is ready. It is almost like making pancakes, chicken pancakes. And what's great about those, you can have those with pasta, with noodles, with rice, with any kind of grain that you like, potatoes, anything you like on the side. It goes well with anything. So now they're ready for the other side, and you can see this crispy top, beautiful colors. And I put some fresh parsley to the other ones. I didn't do it to the first 3 because my kids, when they see something green, they won't even try it. This is for them without any fresh herbs. Again, if you like fresh herbs, yeah, put it in. It will be very, very pretty. Time for my second batch. And I use either olive oil or grapeseed oil. In my house, there is no canola. Canola used to be good oil, but now it's so processed. Just do your research. Check if it's really the same as it was years ago. It's for your health. Health is the most important asset we have, so please. And my second batch is ready. I have just one more and I'm done. Doesn't it look pretty? So my dinner is ready and it smells good. The hardest part now, waiting for my husband to get back from work. I'll just have a bite. It is very tasty. Smacznego. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Palce lizać. You can lick your fingers. It's really delicious. Thank you again. Bon appetit. Dziękuję.